Good morning. It is Sunday. Yeah. I didn't vlog yesterday. I had my niece with me. Well, she was with me from Friday afternoon to like yesterday all day. You can't get nothing with kids done. She's 2. And the personal space is just like I'm a Gemini. I like a personal space. And she was just like right here with me for like 24 hours. I'm like, sis, I need some me time. Okay. Like I can't have kids. I could never co-sign. No. This girl has watched every single episode of Coco Melon, and she still keep clicking on the same thing. Yes, I'm talking about you. If she's watched all 4 seasons, every episode, she'll scoot it to me. Here, change it. Did you just tell me to shush? I'm interrupting your show. I need to make a show, okay? Because the way don't be shushing me. Girl, this God knew not to give me kids, okay? You shh. Okay, you shush. That's why your show went off. That's why your show went. But she's so funny. Love of the Devil is like the child I never have, okay? So my brother gave me a niece. Yeah, because all my friends have boys. I'm like, why I can't get a girl? So I can go shopping for her. All right. But yeah, so I'm going to try to get 2 videos done today, hopefully. So I can make up for yesterday. So, I don't know what time it is. I think it's 9, maybe. Maybe almost 10. I don't know. But I got a lot to do in-house. I don't know what I'm eating for breakfast. Oh, I got Dry Nice cookbook. I'm so excited about that because I finally get to eat something else. I'm getting tired of eating chicken. Like, I love chicken, but I'm sorry eating chicken. Like, I need to get some more variety in my life, okay? And ordering out is just expensive. And I spend $30 for myself. I don't even eat that much. But $30 every time you order or even go out, listen, it is beginning a bit too much, all right? But yeah, so I'm about to get up, make my bed, and then we're gonna get the day started. Okay. We are back.
Yo, don't listen to that nigga, man.
I ate a little bit of breakfast. Only had a banana and some hot chocolate. I am not really a breakfast person. I don't know why. I never have been. Like, I be wanting full course meals when I get up. I just need a personal chef. That's gonna be the first thing I do when I get some money. Or get some meal prep going on. Something, cause
yeah, the brick right there.
I don't know. Like, we got all these animals and still ain't nothing to eat. I understand. Okay, so I'm just about to do my edges real quick and then start on this makeup tutorial. I am out of edge control. I don't know why I be remembering to get everything except for what I need when I be ordering stuff. It's like gone. Just that in there. That's all. And this is the Pattern Edge Control from Tracy Ellis Ross line. I like it. I feel like it works. And some days it's really good. And then some days it just be I think that's just my hair though. Like especially my baby hairs, my edges, like really soft. So I always have a hard time finding something to lay them down. And I just use a toothbrush. I don't like the edge control brush. I don't like the thing. Like, it does absolutely nothing for me.
Yeah, some kind of rich kid. That nigga is the rich kid. And he's known Tariq for years now. He's hype, easy to control.
Yesterday it worked perfectly fine. And now today my edges act like real ghetto.
You know what, Diana? I'm tired of
they don't even want to lay.
You want to know about Kane? Ask your father yourself. You want more responsibility? You want to be the one asking all the questions?
I'm just watching Power, or Ghost, or whatever they want to call it. I'm so ready for Tommy's season to come out next year, because that's gonna be good. Because this whole little Tariq situation, I'm sick of it. Like, when it first came on, I was like, it was boring. Now the second part, it was really good. And then Raising Kanan, I didn't really care for that. It was alright.
Is there something I've done?
And BMF, I really didn't care for that. I'm like, how many times can we watch this? How many times can we watch the same scenario? I really didn't care for that show. I watched it, but
If you and I spent some time together alone,
life I remember you wanted.
Look, it's been 24 years and not alone.
okay, that's all we getting today because right. So I'm trying to figure out what makeup look I'm gonna do today. It's gonna be something quick because
I'm sorry,
I really had no intention of doing makeup today, but we're gonna do it anyway because y'all 2 videos. So I think I'm gonna use this LA Girl mini palette. They have, I think it's a collection, but I have 2 of them. I have this one and then another one that's like a darkish nude. I don't know. And then I really do not feel like putting foundation on, so we're using Fenty Pro matte powder foundation. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna get started on it, and I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm done. And I'm doing unboxing. So I got a box from Ulta. I got my Giant Nice cookbook, and I think some other little things. Okay. It's Chris Brown. So Chris Brown made my head, especially in summer winter, since I started doing makeup today. And it took me at least 2 hours. So for 2 hours, when it been stuck in my head, I'm like, okay, I gotta go listen to it. And what the bitch shaking hand, girl, I gotta know what's up, baby, what's your name? This Chris Brown first came out, he was giving it to us, okay? Our whole childhood was just with him, okay? It's just unforgettable, alright? Like these young kids, they never understand. Okay, but my makeup turned out so cute. Okay, powder foundation is lit. Okay, I want to try some more brands because the Fenty one, I really like that one. So I want to try some more brands and hopefully I can actually find my shade because this one, like, it matches me a little bit, but it's also like a little yellowish tonish. Okay, y'all know my skin's from jacked up still, but this is real cute. I love this. Right, and I need to clean up now because my table look a mess. I mean, hot mess. Okay, so I did not realize how much stuff I had bought from Ulta, and I was going to do the unboxing in this vlog, but I'm going to make that into a separate video, okay? And it is 10 o'clock, so we're about to end this vlog. Yeah, I had a lot to do today. I actually got a lot done, surprisingly. And I'm tired and ready to go to bed, but still got to edit. So, I will catch y'all in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and what else y'all want to see. Okay?